In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error message, "You cannot close Microsoft Word because a dialog box is open." This issue usually happens when a hidden or inactive dialog box is preventing Word from closing properly, and it can be frustrating if you don't know where to look. To begin, make sure Microsoft Word is the active window on your screen. Sometimes the dialog box is open but hidden behind the main window. Press Alt plus Tab on your keyboard to cycle through open windows and check if the dialog box appears. If you see it, simply click on it and close it normally. If you still can't find the dialog box, try pressing Alt plus ESC to cycle through open items within Word. This can help bring the hidden dialog box to the front so you can close it. Another method is to minimize the Word window. Click the Minimize button, then restore the window again. This can sometimes force hidden dialog boxes to appear on top of the main window. You can also try using the keyboard to close the dialog box directly. Press Escape to cancel or close any active dialog box. If that doesn't work, press Enter, which may confirm and close the dialog box depending on the situation. If the issue persists, right-click the Microsoft Word icon on your taskbar. If you see multiple Word windows listed, hover over them and look for a smaller window that might be the dialog box. Click on it to bring it forward, then close it. As a last resort, you can use Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, find Microsoft Word in the list, and select it. Then click End Task. Keep in mind that this may cause unsaved work to be lost, so only use this option if necessary. After closing Word, reopen it and check if the issue still occurs. In most cases, one of these methods will resolve the problem and allow you to close Word normally. And that's it. You now know how to fix the "You cannot close Microsoft Word because a dialog box is open" error and regain control of your application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.